Unity Quit tip video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I created this adorable card. I'm going to be making a frame and taking 2 die cuts and cutting them together to give it a framed look. I'm going to ink up my stamp with some Gina K amalgam ink. Now I'm going to color up his little fur with W7 and W8. I didn't want to go with a black because if I went with black it would cover up all of the fine detailing that the artist Tiara Jackson has made on this adorable penguin. So I'm going with warm grays. Now I'm going to fussy cut him out. I want to leave a white edge around his body so that he pops off the card because I'm going to be using a darker cardstock behind him. So just leaving a white edge around his body will make it pop off the page. Going to add some of this pretty red twine and tie it off. It's a super easy card. He's so cute. Thanks for watching. Come again. Bye.